Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. This is coming from JSAUX. More connection, more selection. Check them out. Link will be down below. If you like this item, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart. Fast ship to you in no time. Oh boy, here we go. This is for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. This phone right here. Samsung. Really nice phone though. Great phone. Now we got these 10-footer. This is a big guy right here. Oh yeah, nice cord. This thing is long. End to end. That's what they look like. Plug her in. Make sure you get one of these extra adapters that I'll include the link down below for. You got one of these. Yeah, they switched the USB ports on them. So you gotta go plug it in like that. Then find your spot on the wall or wherever you plug your stuff in and just let it go. And then here we go. Simple doodah, zippity yay. My oh my, what a wonderful day. Yeah, buddy. Get in your hole. Uh-oh. Oh boy, hold on one sec. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Had a little trouble with this case right here. Not too shabby case for this, but perfect. Everything's fully charged. 1 hour, really fast, rapid charge on this one. Make sure I got it plugged in the right way though. There we go. Boom. Like I said, 10-foot, really long. Really nice. Check them out. JSAUX, Amazon Prime. And that's about it, guys. You guys have a good day. Be safe and see you guys soon.